Welcome, and thank you for your interest in learning more about Bay-Lynx Manufacturing's line of spreaders, mixers, and cambering machines. Buying a major piece of equipment for your business is a big deal. The right decision will pay off for years, but the wrong decision could cost you. We understand that, and we've helped a lot of people make the right decision for their businesses throughout our 25-year history. Everyone at our family-owned and operated business is focused on helping you grow your business. That means we work with you to understand your company and what your particular needs are. We design and build all of our equipment right here in our own shop. Our products are high quality, high performance, and long-lasting. We work as a partner with our customers to make sure they know exactly what they're getting into. We let them know how to use their equipment to help grow and expand their business. We also help them understand how and when they can expect a profit from their investment. We create highly customized equipment that is different for every customer. That means you get the exact piece of equipment you need for the kind of jobs you want to use it for. We take great pride in the support we provide for our customers. We're with you all along the way, before and after your purchase, helping however we can. Training, logistics, parts and service, that's all part of what we do. If you think one of our Bay-Lynx products might be right for your business, please give us a call or send us an email. We'd love to learn more about your business and how we can help.